this actually, so from technical point of view, the Bitcoin is a really huge breakthrough in distributed computing. So this is a little timeline for the introduction of Bitcoins. So Bitcoin first, the paper on Bitcoin is first introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, August 2008. And 2 months later, Bitcoin blockchain started operation. So initially, there's only like a limited group of geeks are actually looking at this, and pretty much everybody was skeptical. So it's not until like over 1 year later, a Florida programmer actually attempt to trade Bitcoins for some goods and service first time. So in May 22nd, so he actually attempt to buy some pizzas with Bitcoins, and there's another developer from the United Kingdom, I believe, actually offered him 2 pizzas. So he ordered pizza from me and then took the payment of 10,000 Bitcoins. Of course, you probably have heard that Bitcoins now is over. It's a little cheaper today, but you know, it has reached over 10,000 US dollars. That means the 2 pizzas are like just ridiculously expensive for him. But you know, I'm sure he wouldn't regret this because it's a piece of history now. You know, back then nobody knows. Probably nobody actually, probably except for Satoshi Nakamoto, who actually never sold any Bitcoins for anything. But you know, everybody else pretty much just you couldn't you know, think this would ever like be a real money, like worth so much value.